Good morning, movers and shakers. Thank you. I was talking to a local artist recently, somebody who is a professional artist. They are in business, making a living off of their art. And she was telling me how one of the local chamber of commerces approached her. And they said, man, we really like what you do. We're really interested in what you do, and we would like to collaborate with you. And so we would like you to do your art for us. And in exchange, we will give you a free Chamber of Commerce membership. And she said, well, I'm sorry, but this is my business and I can't do that. She told me, what am I going to do with a Chamber of Commerce membership? I don't want that. She says, I have rent to pay. I need money. I have rent to pay. So unfortunately, the answer had to be no. You know, they're going to give her a membership. So she's going to do her job, right, to receive a membership, to then go out there and hopefully talk to a bunch of other people and get some business. Like, it was insane. And I was thinking about it later, and I thought, you know, this is really ironic. We're talking about a local chamber of commerce. What is their purpose? What's the purpose of the organization? It's to help local business people. Well, that's what I thought. I mean, Diana Grabowski disagrees with me, but I thought that was the purpose of these chambers, is to help business, to build business. And what are they doing? Are they doing that in this instance? I don't think so. I don't think they're, you know what? Let's go ahead and pause for a minute. What is the purpose? You really threw me off with that, Diana. What is the purpose of a Chamber of Commerce?
I was the executive assistant to the CEO of the Charleston Metro Chamber of Commerce for 4 years. A lot of people misunderstood what the Chamber of Commerce is. We are a group, we pool our money together, and then the board of directors uses these monies in order for business development for the city. It's more of like a city kind of a thing. It's not individual.
But what is the sale to the member? Don't they sell members on joining so that they can promote their business?
We didn't, because that's not what the Chamber of Commerce is about.
Okay, well, I've been a member of a lot of local chambers, and all the ones I've joined have sold me on joining their organization so I can promote my business. Now, I know they've got other things, and they're, you know, dealing at a higher level, and they want to get people to look at Tampa and this and that and the other. But I've seen a lot of local chambers who want to sell to potential members and say, come in here and grow your business.
This is what we need. We need the B&I is what this is about.
Yeah.
B&I is awesome for that. It's so different from Chamber. It's not even fun.
But since I had an idea of how I wanted this education, let's just stick with my premise for a moment here. Because in my mind, the premise is that these local chambers are in business, or should be in business, to help business people. And it's my belief that they weren't putting their money where their mouth was. And so that begs the question, are we putting our money where our mouth is in this group? Because in this group, it's not about getting business directly from members. It's about referring people, creating a referral network, helping each other, referring people to people outside of this room. But at some point, we have to ask ourselves the question, are we putting our money where our mouth is? You know, what happens when I have a stack of papers on my desk, and I'm looking at these papers, and I have to decide whether to call the attorney in our group or not? You know, my life is on the line. Am I going to hire Chris LaFrance? That's where the rubber meets the road. Or if I've got a serious dental problem, right, and I don't know where to go, and I'm like, can I really trust Dr. Diaz? Am I gonna call him? That's where we put our money where our mouth is. Are we going to use David Reef to inspect our home? Are we going to entrust him with that? Are we going to put our banking with Lee Pearson? And so if we do that, now we're putting our money where our mouth is, and it enables us to then say to the people we refer, hey, that's my banker, that's my attorney, that's my dentist. He inspected my home, and there's so much power in that. So let's think about that this week. Let's think about putting our money where our mouth is. This has been your educational moment. Brian Wade, Tampa Financial.